Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. You've got Sam and Gary. Hey, I'm Samantha, your friendly vegan guide.
And I'm Gary, the guy who thinks kale chips should be a major food group and probably as a secret shrine to avocados. Together, we're here to dish out unique insights into the vegan lifestyle. Like, did you know tofu can do yoga? It's way more flexible than we are. Thanks for joining us and for having our plant-based backs. No animals were harmed in making of this friendship, but a few cucumbers were hugged.
OMG good. Instant Pot Meals, plant-based and oil-free paperback published August 12, 2015. By Jill McKeever. OMG good. Instant Pot Meals, plant-based and oil-free, is the first cookbook dedicated to plant-based, oil-free recipes for the Instant Pot. Written by Jill McKeever, it is tailored specifically for Instant Pot users and offers 34 family-friendly meals and sides that your loved ones will request time and time again. The Instant Pot can seem intimidating with its numerous buttons, but don't worry. This cookbook focuses on the 4 most commonly used functions: keep warm / cancel, sauté, manual, and slow cook. The clear and straightforward cooking instructions ensure that even the newest Instant Pot owners can create delicious meals with ease. Jill McKeever has compiled her fans' favorite Instant Pot recipes from her YouTube channel, Simple Daily Recipes, into this book. Each recipe is accompanied by a mouth-watering photo and an easy-to-follow list of ingredients and directions. Additionally, a quick reference pressure cooking chart for beans / legumes, grains, and vegetables is included. Your family will happily eat their veggies with recipes like awesome Tex-Mex lasagna stack, barbecue cabbage sandwiches, barbecue shredded soy curls, barbecue lentils, bring along black bean hash, chili bean goulash, creamy soy curls Alfredo, extra creamy tomato spinach pasta, Ethiopian-inspired stew, Mama's beefless stew, Mama's soy curls pot pie, go to lentil soup, slow-cooked pasta-free lasagna, spinach tacos, thick and creamy nacho sauce, vegan sausage scramble, and veggies in creamy curry. Sauce. Order OMG good. Instant Pot Meals, plant-based and oil-free today, and start creating meals that your family will love week after week, and that they might even cook themselves. Woot woot.
About the author. Jill McKeever is a cooking instructor, author, and personal coach holding certified in a plant-based nutrition from T. Collins Campbell Foundation. Inspired by the film Fork Over Knives in 2011, Jill decided to pursue better health and a life free from prescription medications. She embraced a whole food plant-based diet, lost 30 pounds, and regained energy needing to care for her family and advance her online career. This transformation unfolded before her online audience, who watched as she adopted and thrived on her new healthy lifestyle. Today, Jill inspires and guides thousands of people looking to transition to plant-based lifestyle. Her popular cookbook, OMG Good, Instant Pot Meals, Plant-Based and Oil-Free, has become a hit among Instant Pot owners since its publication in 2015. Amazon continues to recommend her highly rated book to customers in the US, Canada, and Europe. Jill connects with her audience on her YouTube channel Simply Daily Recipes, where she produces live broadcasts and weekly videos offering advice and tips on plant-based living. On a personal note, Jill has been happily married to her supportive husband Charles for 20 years. They have two wonderful teenagers and a Shih Tzu dog. The entire family transitioned to plant-based lifestyle in 2011, except the dog, no judgment there. Born and raised in Texas, they now reside in Austin.
Product details. Publisher, Jill McKeever, August 12, 2015. Language, English. Paperback, 92 pages. ISBN 10-098-512-4822. ISBN 13-978-0985124823. Amazon multiple reviews. I love Jill's recipes. I have tried so many that are downright awesome. I trust them so much that I write them in my cookbook without even testing them first. We liked one recipe so much that we made it once a week, which is unusual for us. As a vegetarian, I'm always looking for quick instant pot recipes with easy-to-find ingredients that are healthy. However, while the book promises pantry staples, I found that some items were difficult to find, especially in my rural area. The book is fun and witty, with plenty of space for notes and adjustments. However, I agree with other reviewers that it's overpriced. There are only 34 recipes, including simple ones like brown rice and mashed potatoes. The book is poorly edited. I've found recipe errors, and poorly bound. Some pages are already falling out. There's also no index, and the photos are of very low quality. Most recipes use potatoes and/or soy curls, which I like, but the dishes are quite ordinary and not particularly creative. They're simple weeknight meals. The pictures are the worst I have ever seen in a cookbook. They look like bad iPhone pictures in poor lighting, making the food appear gray and unappetizing. Despite the criticisms, I think this book is perfect. A single recipe is worth the money. The meals are simple and tasty, which suits my family as they don't like spicy or smoky foods. I like variety, but this recipe, Instant Pot Southwestern Hominy Stew, was my favorite.
My opinion. I discovered Jill through the vegan cooking channel on the Roku and her YouTube channel. I immediately loved her attitude and cooking style. When I found her website, I bought her book and an Instant Pot pressure cooker. The book starts with an hilarious love letter to her Instant Pot, and the humor continues throughout the recipes. For those unfamiliar with Jill on YouTube, you're missing out. She's funny and down to earth. The directions in her book are clear and concise, with a simple format. Most of Jill's recipes are low in fat, which is crucial for dietary management. She tells you exactly which buttons to push on the Instant Pot and when. As someone new to plant-based diet, Jill has inspired me to adapt and improve my eating habits. Her recipes are easy and she encourages improvisation with ingredients you have on hand. Her casual, chatty style makes you feel like you're sitting at her kitchen table chatting while she cooks. The recipes are extremely simple and straightforward with explicit direction for each step. There aren't many recipes, but they're all keepers. I love the author's enthusiasm for both the recipes and the Instant Pot, which is contagious. My wife tells me which recipes to make again, and so far every single one has received a thumbs up. Some of my favorite recipes include creamy soy curls Alfredo, chili bean goulash, and slow-cooked pasta-free lasagna. Tune in to our next episode, number 59, Common Vegan Struggles.
Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. We really appreciate you listening and can't wait to have you back for our next exciting episode all about veganism.
Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, You could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
Our podcast's intro and outro music is Beautiful Days by Darren Birch from the album Mononymous, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs, released by Danmark Music Group on March 4th, 2019. Darren Birch Music. My disclaimer: I aim for accuracy and embrace continuous learning. My views are evidence-based and open to feedback. This content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician. This disclaimer applies to all contributors.